Happy Sunday, guys. Today is March 1st. Genuinely so grateful. These past 2 months have been nothing but amazing. So heading out to the gym right now. I almost didn't record today, but I'm just like, I want you guys to see that consistency is everything. Like when I say I'm consistent, even on my off days, I do active rest days. I'm about to show you guys what I mean by that. So then afterwards, the plan is, I believe, grocery shopping for meal prep. Because the whole point of this video is to show you guys what I eat, but I also want to show you guys, like, obviously being active and incorporating that is part of it as well. But happy Sunday, let's go to the gym. So I got my coffee. I usually always drink pre-workout, but since it's just gonna be like a light core, full body cardio type of sesh, I'm just drinking a dark roast 8-ounce coffee. It's pretty good. I feel like I did a good job. I'm gonna try my best to record this entire session, but I noticed that sometimes the camera doesn't focus. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I'm just gonna set you guys up in the corner and then I'll walk you through my quick 45-minute workout. Wanna be with you, wanna be real with you. I can't leave you alone. No one ever go, but I can't let you go.
It's my dog, Dylan.
Hi guys, welcome back. I am so excited for today's video because I'm finally going to be showing you guys how I meal prep, the way that I find is most efficient and most easy to stay on top of your high protein meals. I find that this way works best to not be wasteful of anything because, girl, in today's economy, we should not be wasting any produce, any protein. So I like to meal prep in bulk, so that way when it comes to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you're not craving what you had meal prep last week, it works out. You can pull out what you want, throw it in a plate, heat it up, and you're good to go. This way is super simple. I'm going to walk you guys through it, but when it comes to high protein meals, that will be your best friend in your fitness journey, girl, because it's going to help you burn fat and build muscle. And it's very repetitive. Yes, it can be boring, but that's why I like this way, because you can kind of mix it up and have fun with it. I also have a 5-year-old son, in case you didn't know, and he actually does eat everything we eat. So everything you guys will see throughout this video, he pretty much eats majority of it, especially like broccoli. He freaking loves broccoli. But I'm super excited to meal prep with you guys. It is 10:43 p.m. Like, girl, I cannot make this up. It is 10:43 p.m. I've never meal prepped this late in the past, but we did end up going to Sam's Club earlier today and it just got late in the day. And I just know from experience that if I do not meal prep now, it will never get meal prepped. Okay, I'm lying. It will get meal prepped. Some things just might go to waste. For example, the pineapple, it might sit out for a few days when I could just do it tonight, prep it up in my containers, and boom, we're good to go. So I did go to TJ Maxx earlier today. I'm going to show you guys what I got. Love TJ Maxx for meal prepping because they have the best containers at an affordable rate. Girls, this is everything that I got from TJ Maxx. I'm telling you right now that TJ Maxx has the best stuff for meal prepping. Just trust me on that. Don't waste your money on the Container Store or Amazon. Go to TJ Maxx. So first thing I got was these 2 containers, $12.99 each. Super affordable, both plastic. The top is like rubber. Okay, second thing I got were basically the same thing, but in a round version. And I'm going to be using this for the rice and sweet potatoes. And it's also, oh yeah, $12.99. So both of these are $12.99. Hold on, will the camera focus? And then of course we had to get minis for the fruit. So in this household, we love strawberries and we love pineapples. So we're definitely going to be cutting up the pineapple and putting it up in here, as well as the strawberries and berries. So this was a total of $12.99 for a pack of 3. They are on the smaller side, but being that I'm using it for fruit, I feel like it's perfect. And then last thing I got was another baking sheet because you cannot have enough baking sheets.
So this is pretty much everything I have in rotation weekly. No matter what, these are a non-negotiable in our weekly routine. So one thing I did want to share with you guys is that I do have a sweet tooth. Oh shoot. Good thing my sink is empty and clean. I do have a sweet tooth often, and now that it's getting hotter, I freaking love Luigi's. I hope I'm saying it right. I freaking love this brand. It's only 60 calories per tube. I love the strawberry and lemon. I have yet to try the cherries. It has a total of 3 flavors, but it has no artificial flavors. Overall, super satisfying with low calorie. I live in Vegas, so it's already hot here. It already feels like summer, so this is perfect. I got this at Sam's Club. I was super excited when I saw this, but we got the asparagus in bulk, broccoli. My son is a huge broccoli lover, so definitely got that. These jalapeno beef sticks, love these. Also love the Chomps brand, but they are on the pricier side, so I just think that this brand right here is half the price and still 9 grams per stick. These are great for when you don't have anything to eat and you're starving and you leave the gym, and instead of eating bad, get you one of these. And then I do eat farmer cheese pretty much every morning with my sourdough bread, and I either have that with honey on top, like drizzled on top, or my strawberry jam. Try to opt in for a minimal ingredient strawberry jam. This is the one I get from Sam's Club. So the reason why I opt in for farmer cheese versus like a standard cottage cheese is because this one has 15 grams of protein. It's reduced fat, gluten-free, 10 times cleaner than your average cottage cheese, but also guys, this has probiotics in it. So if you don't know what a probiotic is, once you go to your yearly checkup with your doctor as a female, one thing my OBG always tells me is that a probiotic is a must in a woman's body. It is why I also drink kefir. Kefir is so freaking good for your gut. It may not taste the best. I will say the flavored ones obviously taste better. These are also super fulfilling, so if you want something quick on the go, these will for sure keep you full. But I love drinking the plain before bed because it has 0 sugars added. Obviously the flavored ones have added sugar, but the plain one does not. So I like to drink a glass of milk before I go to bed. Believe the hype. Believe the hype when I tell you, go on TikTok and search up Lifeway Kefir. You're gonna see the girlies will tell you, drink a glass of this before bed, not even a full glass, but even just a half a glass, you will wake up snatched. Like the hype is real, guys. I'm telling you, this thing is great for anti-bloating, but it's all about the probiotics for your gut. I always have a trash bag on the side. This is gonna make your meal prepping so much easier. The last thing you want is a ton of mess. Girl, just grab your Target bag, whatever bags you have. It will make your life 10 times easier. Alright girls, clocking in, it's 12:53 a.m. so that's how long it took me to get all of this done. But I'm happy because tomorrow, the day after, I will have all my stuff ready. If I'm craving ground beef with rice, pull it out. With broccoli, with sweet potato, pull it out, heat it up, boom, done. So I have everything in my containers. Fruit is here. I did forget the chicken. I don't know what happened, but it's okay. That's a super easy fix. I'll just air fry it tomorrow, boom, throw it in a container, done. But this is what it looks like. Freaking love these containers. They're so convenient, just like I told you guys. Super compact. They're super compact, and I felt like they fit everything perfectly. Even the rice, like perfect to the T. So this is the final result with the fridge completely stocked up and all the meal prep done. I will most likely catch you guys tomorrow and I'll show you guys exactly like what my breakfast looks like in the morning. But everything just laid out like this makes your routine so much easier, and it keeps you motivated and also prevents you from just snacking on things or eating things you shouldn't because it's right in front of you. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. This is what I mean when I say it's super easy to eat a high protein meal. So I typically opt in for sourdough bread, but they were sold out at both the stores that I went to. So I got this one and it's 9 grams of protein per slice. So that's 9 grams of protein, right? just a slice alone, which is this bread. Then I added farmer cheese on top. This is 15 grams of protein, also has probiotics on it. And then I topped it off with this organic strawberry spread, which I air fried. I literally air fried for about 8 minutes, I want to say. This is 2 eggs. I don't eat this every day because obviously this is not an everyday thing. Usually I just drizzle honey on top, not the strawberry. But if I do that and I'm starving, I'll do 3 eggs and then just the honey on top versus strawberry. And then of course my cup of coffee. But this is super high protein. I tried to bring you guys along with me. I didn't do the best job, but we're gonna get better, okay? So I ended up changing my shirt because I was so sweaty in my other outfit. But we're on our way to Subway. Usually the sandwich that I get is about 35-40 grams of protein, right? You would say 35-40 grams. So it's not something that I would eat every day, but it's a long day ahead of me. So this is gonna be like a quick lunch. I'll show you guys once I get it, but on our way to Subway now. The post gym here still eats though. High key. So this is a sandwich right here. So this has turkey slices, tomato, lettuce, cucumbers, cheese. What kind of cheese? American cheese, mayo, and I think that's it, right?
Couple jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
No mayo, you got mustard.
Oh, there's no mayo on it. There's just mustard.
Mustard and a little bit of chipotle.
And a little bit of chipotle sauce. So this is my post-workout meal right here. It's a 6-inch